What's the meaning of bearable? Bearable. Bearable.
Bearable. Bearable. The word bearable is an adjective that describes something that is able to be endured or tolerated. It suggests that a situation or experience, while not necessarily enjoyable or pleasant, is not so unbearable as to be completely intolerable. The term can be applied to physical discomfort, emotional pain, or even difficult circumstances such as financial hardship or personal loss. When faced with something that is difficult to handle, we may describe it as barely bearable if it is right on the edge of our ability to cope. Overall, bearable is a useful term for describing something that is challenging, but not completely overwhelming.